Hello everybody, Jim here, and in this video I will show to you how to install the Super Sales Booster. Actually, not to install, how to make it work on the checkout page, which is one of the biggest and most powerful feature, because the actual buyer have gone through, your entire funnel, product page, cart page, checkout page, and maybe he have started initiate the checkout, I don't know. So sorry about that. So he's already about to buy. So the first thing that you need to do in order the Super Sales Booster to work on the checkout page, okay, you scroll down and here we have installation instruction. You actually need to copy this, okay, or you can double click Control C or click everything, copy, okay, go to analytics section. So essentially you click analytics or online store and then preferences, okay, with it will go set us here, take us here, and probably in your case you won't have this, okay, you will be like this or most likely this, okay. uh, if you have a countdown on the checkout, Google Auto Submit, or anything between, okay, what you need to do, okay, is you go here on the, if you have that script, it's not a big deal, okay. You go and hit enter a couple times, space means nothing, so you don't have a problem, and you add this code here on the top. So in that page it will be the first code, okay. If you have a lot of code, again, you add this on the top, okay. You paste it, you save, okay, whatever the code is, okay. Don't add this on the bottom, add this on the top, okay. And this again is about only for the checkout page, because the app will work on the product page, okay, and the cart page, okay. That's it for that video. Talk to you on the next one, which will actually go over the function and how that works. Cheers.